Hello, my PC students. This one is number 19, college costs. I have completed some things here. I'm going to go to View and go to Zoom, and I'll put it up to 150. Okay, and so now we have public education was costing $32,000, private was costing $72,000, and it said that your inflation rate was 7.5%. So that meant that each year the cost of education was going up. All right. So now, what was it going to be in 2011? All right, it was going to be equals your 35,000, and hold on here, I should have put this in parentheses, or I could do it this way: your 35,000 plus. Now open your parentheses, and you would take your public education times the 7.5 inflation rate. And of course that has to be absolute. So now you have your cost of 35,000 plus the inflation rate. All right. And now if I drag this down, and let's just look here for a second. So you see B5, which is right, plus B5 times B7. B7 didn't change. So everything's 100% there. That's what you want. Now select the two cells and drag all the way over to the right. And so now you see the price increasing by 7.5% every year. And the same thing here, 7.5%. And if you take a look, you see B7, and you see B7, the 7.5 didn't change, it increased. And you already know it's a growth, and you understand that. Okay, the next thing that it asked you to do, and I wanted to key this in ahead of time, so therefore you were to add a comment, and it was supposed to say the above costs include tuition, room and board, books, and other expenses and fees. And it said to you, right-click, and if you get the wrong menu, right-click again, format comment. Now, remember, okay, I used orange, and you can see that, and I used size 9 and bold and italic. All right, now I want to try going a little bit further here, see if we can get format comment. There. Now, do you see I've got all the tabs up here, so I can get to colors and lines, and you can see where that I chose green as the fill color. Line color was green, and I put it at 0.75. Maybe I'll move it up to 1.25 and make it quite thick. All right, say OK. And so now if I click off, you can see your line. I don't like that green line. I'm going to go back and put on the pink one that I had. So I'm going to go here, I'm going to go choose pink and say OK and click off, and there's my pink line. Okay, now as we said, you want to move a comment. Hold on here. Oh, okay, come on. Oh, my show and hide's on. Okay, wait till I go here. Oh, I just crashed. Oh no. Okay, it crashed and came back, and now I have saved, so make sure you save. And I just want to go one more thing. I want to click in here, hopefully I can, right click and say hide comment. So remember, when you hover over where the red triangle is, you see your comment. If you're in the cell and you say right click, show comment, then it stays on your screen the whole time. Now, remember when we go to print, you go to page layout, you go to page setup, and oh, I'm running into that printer available again. All right, I won't take you in there, but you know that you can go to page setup. No, I can't get in there to show you. Let me go another way, cancel, and I'm going to go to file, and I'll go to print, and now I'll try choosing there, and now let's see if I can go to page setup, and now if I go to sheet, comments as displayed on the sheet. So this is going to print like that if I leave it like that. If I choose at end of sheet and say OK, then you have two pages, the one for the comment and the one for your assignment. And if not, then we go back and we go to sheet and we say as displayed on the sheet. And of course, if we chose none, then no comments would print. And there it is as displayed on the sheet. So that's just refreshing your memory for the comments and also your growth. I'm not going to print. I'm going to go back here. We're going to go Control S to save, and we'll stop there.